Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make video transparent in Kdenlive. So for example, we have here this video added to our project, and if you want to edit this video, we need to drag and drop this video to the timeline, and after that we need to click on this video to select it, and then we need to go to Effects tab, and here on the search field we need to type something like transparency. After that you will see here the option in alpha mask and keying settings. So we need to drag and drop transparency to our video, and after that on the effects and composition stack settings we can find transparency option. On default, transparency is set to 1 value, so of course if you want to decrease it you need to change position of this slider to the left side, and how you see transparency is being added to our video. So in this way you can easily change it in Kdenlive. So if I helped you to add it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.